today's video, I'll show you how to access a Smartsheet without needing an account. This is perfect when someone wants you to quickly view a sheet, report, or dashboard without creating a login. To start, Smartsheet only allows account-free access under one condition. The owner must publish the item and enable access for anyone with the link. If the sheet isn't published or the permissions aren't set correctly, you will be asked to sign in. But once the item is published, accessing it is extremely simple. When you receive the public link, just click it. That's it. You'll instantly be able to view the shared sheet, report, or dashboard without signing up or logging in. This makes it convenient for clients, partners, or anyone who only needs to view project information. Keep in mind that viewing is the only thing you can do without an account. If you need to edit or collaborate, the sheet owner must invite you as a collaborator, and you'll need to log in. So, to recap, if the owner has published